Welcome to Choking in Infants. In this video, we'll discuss relief of choking in infants, that is the age of 0 to 12 months. If it's a mild obstruction, stay with the infant and try to keep them calm. Do not do a blind finger sweep, as you force the object further into the airway. Call EMS if they do not quickly rid the obstruction. If it's more severe, use back blows and chest thrusts and call EMS. Begin BLS steps if the infant becomes unresponsive. Hold the infant in your lap. Put the infant with their face down and their head lower than their chest. They should be resting on your forearm. Put your forearm on your thigh. Support the infant's head and neck with your hand and be sure to avoid putting pressure on their throat. Using the heel of your free hand, deliver 5 back blows between the infant's shoulder blades. Using both hands and arms, turn the infant face up so they're now resting on your other arm. This arm should now be resting on your thigh. Make sure that the infant's head is lower than their chest. Using fingers of your free hand, provide up to 5 quick downward chest thrusts over the lower half of the breastbone. Perform 1 thrust every second. If the obstruction is not relieved, turn the infant face down on your other forearm and repeat the process. Continue doing these steps until the infant begins to breathe or becomes unresponsive. This concludes our lesson on choking in infants. Thank you for choosing Save a Life by NHCPS as your provider.